If you've been searching for a powerful hands-free cleaning solution that combines vacuuming and mopping in one device, the Lefant M3 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo might just be the perfect fit for your home. Let's start with performance. The Lefant M3 delivers an impressive 12,000 pascal suction power, strong enough to pull up pet hair, dust, and debris from hard floors, tiles, and even carpets. Paired with dual spinning mops, it doesn't just sweep, it scrubs, reaching as close as 1.85 millimeters from edges and covering 98.8% of corners. That means no more dirt hiding where walls meet floors. Now, what really sets the M3 apart is its hands-free docking station. With an 8-week, 3.2-liter dustbin, a 2.5-liter water tank, auto mop washing with 113 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, and cool air drying, this station takes care of everything. It even dispenses detergent so your floors stay fresh and sanitized, all with virtually zero effort on your part. For pet owners, the tangle-free V-shaped brush system is a game-changer. It's designed with dual comb teeth that actively cut through and prevent hair tangles, eliminating the frustration of clogged brushes. Combined with turbo carpet mode and automatic mop lifting, your carpets stay protected while still getting deep cleaned. At just 3.8 inches tall, the Lefant M3 easily glides under furniture where other vacuums can't reach. It uses FreeMove Tech 3.0 obstacle avoidance to dodge cords, furniture, and even stairs, keeping cleaning uninterrupted without you needing to babysit. Navigation is smarter too. Thanks to precision LiDAR laser mapping, the M3 scans your home in 360 degrees, creating highly accurate maps for multi-level homes with up to 3 saved layouts. You can fully customize cleaning with no-go zones, mop lift settings, and carpet modes, all controlled through the Lefant app, Alexa, or Google Home. With support for dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, connections are fast and stable. Battery life is another win. The 5,200 mAh battery delivers up to 220 minutes of runtime on a single charge, cleaning up to 2,366 square feet in one go. It also charges 30% faster, so it's always ready when you need it. In real use, the Lefant M3 isn't just powerful. It's reliable, intelligent, and incredibly low maintenance. With features like auto mop washing, self-emptying, tangle-free brushes, and carpet protection, it's designed for busy households, pet lovers, and anyone who wants spotless floors without the hassle. So if you're looking for a premium all-in-one robot vacuum and mop that goes beyond simple cleaning, the Lefant M3 is one of the strongest contenders in its class.